you're watching Camille's Curls, and I am going to be wearing teeth whitening strips for 5 days. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm naked. I feel like the most popular brand of teeth whitening strips is Crest, and I've got a couple of them. So I have 5 of them, and I'm going to be trying them out for 5 days, seeing if they make my teeth whiter, and just seeing in general how well they work. This video is not sponsored by Crest, although it would be totally cool if it was. I'm just trying to see if I can get whiter teeth. So here are my teeth right now. Let me like hold it up to something white. So, I mean, they could definitely be whiter, I guess. So I'm just gonna start off. I've actually used these a couple times, but never, sorry, my boyfriend's. Okay, I've used these a couple times, never in a row, just because I feel like they make my teeth a little sensitive. So this is gonna be fun to see how my teeth are feeling after this. Here's what it looks like. So this one goes on the bottom, the smaller one goes on the bottom, and the larger, longer one goes on the top. I really like to make sure first that my teeth are completely dry, just that it sticks better. So this is gonna look a little weird. Okay, guys. I'm gonna hold it first, just so that it can stick on my teeth better. Okay, this is for the bottom. Okay, that stuck on good. Now I'm gonna take the top one. The top one. And stick it right on the top. Ah, that hurts. Okay, I'm just gonna like kind of push it in the crevices so that it gets on my teeth. These don't even really go that long, honestly. Like the bottom ones only go to like this teeth. I guess I don't really see those back ones, but like still. I use this whitening toothpaste every single night, and I feel like it has to make my teeth whiter, but like, you know, I kind of am impatient and I want like instant results. They say that you can keep them on for half an hour to an hour. I usually do about 45 minutes, so in between, because my teeth aren't really known to be sensitive. They're actually really like strong teeth, but these kind of make my teeth really sensitive. So I don't like to wear them for that long. I'm totally gonna like die. By the end of this, I'm not even gonna be able to eat goldfish. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, you know, leave these on for a little bit and then take it off, and I will see you guys tomorrow when I do this again. It's been 5 days and we're finally going to see the results of whitening my teeth. Alright, here is what it looked like before. And here is what it looks like now. Alright, I think that I can see a difference, especially with the lipstick on. I probably shouldn't put this on. But my sisters and my family have been telling me that my teeth are whiter. My boyfriend's been telling me that my teeth are whiter. I don't know if they're just trying to make me feel better. But I personally feel like they've gotten whiter. Is it worth the money? I'm not really sure. I'd have to test out drugstore teeth whitening strips to see how well they do. If you guys want to see a video like that, let me know so that I can get some. My teeth did get super sensitive though. After a while it goes away, but in the beginning it was very sensitive. So be careful about that. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and this is hard to do with fake lashes. You already know. Subscribed. Tastes delicious. Alright, I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!